Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a parrot named Kittu. While others were noisy, Kittu was always silent and observant.
Out. The other parrots teased him, saying he was useless because he never spoke. But Kittu just listened to the sounds of the forest.
One day, a hunter sneaked into the forest. The noisy parrots didn't notice him, but Kittu heard the rustle of dry leaves.
Sensing danger, Kittu suddenly let out a loud, terrifying roar, exactly like a tiger.
Hearing the tiger's roar, the hunter was terrified.
Tiger!
He screamed and ran away, leaving his net behind.
The other parrots were amazed. They realized that Kittu's silence and listening skills had saved them all.
They learned that listening is often more powerful than speaking.